Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this bucket hat. I used a J-hook medium worsted yarn. This hat was done in my Crochet Hats for Beginners book that I have on Amazon, but I'm going to link down the chart down below and it will show you how to adjust the hat, and then the pattern you'll have to find within that book because it was a bonus. Okay, so let's get started. To get started, you're going to create a magic circle. Slip knot inside. If this is your first time, there is a link on how to do the magic circle. Then chain 3, and you're going to work 10 double crochet in that magic circle. So you'll have a total of 11 with that chain 3. If this is too fast for you, you can place your video in slow motion. There is a link for that down below as well. I know sometimes it can be too fast for a beginner. Once you have your total of 11, you're going to pull it closed and slip stitch on top of that chain 3 to get started. Chain 3 and then work a double crochet in that same stitch, and then work 2 double crochet in each stitch around. Grab that yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops for a double crochet. Then you'll work 2 in each around. So you have 22 altogether until you get to the beginning. Slip stitch in the chain 3, and then chain 3, then work 2 double crochet in the next stitch, then you work 1 double crochet in the next. So the pattern is 1 2 1 2 until you get to the beginning. Then slip stitch in the chain 3, and then chain 3 counts as your double crochet, and then work a double crochet in the next stitch, then work 2 double crochet in the next stitch. So you need 1 double crochet in the next 2, and then 2 increase, so it's 1 1 and then 2 until you get to the beginning. Slip stitch in the beginning, and then you're going to chain 3, double crochet in the next stitch, and then double crochet in the next stitch, and then double crochet, and work your increase of 2. So you have 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then work your increase, which is 2, and then you work that around until you get to the beginning. Okay, slip stitch and that beginning. Now chain 3 and then work a double crochet in the next 3 stitches and then work your increase. Now work 2 double crochet and then work your double crochet in the next 4 and then work your increase and then work that all the way around till you get to the beginning. Slip stitch and chain 3, and then in each back loop around you're going to work a double crochet. So you'll work that in the back loop, and just for this round, so it gives it the bucket kind of flat top to your hat. Okay, you're going to slip stitch and then chain 3. Okay, so rounds 8 through 15, you're just going to work a double crochet in each stitch around. If you would like to do a strip, I did 2 rounds of a different color in the center for a stripe, and I started that at round 11. So after 4 rounds of double crochet, then I slip stitched in with a new color, which I'm about to show you. Okay, after 4 rounds, I'm going to slip stitch in with a new color and just work double crochets around for 2 rounds. So chain 3, just going to slip stitch and chain 3 and just work another round of double crochet with that color. You can do it a thicker strip or no stripe at all if you don't want to. Going to add in the other color after slip stitching, and then I'm going to do 3 more rounds of the other color. Okay, you're going to chain 3. This is for the brim after you're done with all of your rounds, and then you're going to work 2 double crochet increase and then 1 double crochet. So the pattern is 1 2 1 2 until you get to the beginning, and this is the brim. Okay, now you're just going to chain 3 and work a double crochet in each stitch around. This is the last round. Now just slip stitch and fasten off and you take your yarn needle and weave in all your ends and your hat is complete. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It has a flat top to it and it just is perfect for an adult. You can adjust it with a different hook size. Okay, so thank you for watching and please subscribe.